If you want to make serious money on Etsy this holiday season, then this is the video that you've been waiting for. In this video, I'll go over 10 proven niches to sell like crazy over the last few months. I've been selling on Etsy for 5 Christmas seasons, and all of these, without a doubt, are classics that sell every single year. And if you're watching this when I release it in September, then you are right on time, because the sellers who win in Q4, the last 3 months of the year, are the ones who are listing right now. So if you're ready to have your biggest Etsy holiday ever, then let's dive right in. The first niche is the pregnancy announcement niche. Now this is a huge niche to sell in on Etsy all year round, but especially around the holidays, you'll see that these listings go crazy because a lot of people will wait until Thanksgiving or Christmas to announce their pregnancies to their families. And that could be by either wearing something funny to announce their pregnancy or by giving one of their family members a gift to announce it. If you use Printify to print and ship all of your print-on-demand products, then you could use anything from their Gildan 18,000 sweatshirts to put funny designs about eating for 2 on. You could use their ornaments from Swift POD to make items for gifting to first-time grandparents, or you can make matching promoted to auntie and uncle mug sets that you could make through District Photo. And if you haven't signed up for Printify or opened up your Etsy shop just yet, then now is the perfect time, and I will actually link my free mini course down in the description that helps you open up your Etsy shop for the first time, set up Printify, and list your very first product for sale on Etsy all in a weekend. So if you are watching this and you haven't opened up your shop just yet, then after this video, stop watching YouTube videos and go actually open your store, because now is the perfect time to get started. Niche number 2 is engagement gifts. Now this one is a giant one that again sells all year round, but will go absolutely crazy when it comes to Christmas gifts. Look at this ornament right here that sold 25 times in the last 24 hours alone for an ornament for an engagement gift. Again, engagement gifts can be any Printify product. You could do matching sweatshirts, matching shirts, you can do ornaments, you can do mugs. The sky's the limit really when it comes to engagement gifts. Even blankets are a great product if you've never checked out the woven blankets on Printify before. But remember, with any of these niches, it is important to add value with your designs. You can't just put the exact same saying on the exact same product and make it look 10% different and expect to be getting a bestseller. Hundreds of people are out there copying what the bestsellers are doing, and it's creating just a sea of designs that look exactly the same. So remember to practice adding value. Adding value can look a lot of different ways. That can be coming up with your own saying, that can be cross-niching, so combining the engagement niche with something that's really popular, like gooses or raccoons are really popular this year. Or it can even be adding that niche to a new product for the first time. But just remember, that is really the missing piece to the puzzle. If you're not getting sales in your store, you might be copying more than you think you are. And if you want me to make a video all about how not to copy and how to add value with your designs in proven ways, then comment value add down in the comments below. Then diving right into niche number 3, we have First Christmas Married. So this again is a multi-product niche. You can sell ornaments, you can sell mugs, shirts, sweatshirts. Those are going to be the most common, but I've even seen some products sell well on things like blankets for this niche as well. For this niche, what's selling right this very moment already is ornaments as well. Like look at this one where if I analyze it with Everbee, it tells me this is sold 8,800 times in the last 10 months alone and 34 times in the last 24 hours. Coming back over here to Etsy, you can see this listing is a perfect example of a matching Christmas shirt set for a couple that was just married. And if I use my Everbee Chrome extension, I can click Analyze Listing and see that this one is sold 462 times in its first 14 months. The other thing that Everbee is really helpful with is when you are designing for things in advance, like this one right now. If you're designing in September for Christmas stuff, they might not be selling just yet today. So how do you look for the best sellers if they don't have bestseller badges right now? Well, that's where Everbee really comes in handy. You can search what you want, like First Christmas Married, come over to the left and click Product Analytics. And here's where you can do a lot of sorting. So you can put in, First Christmas Married, and click enter, you can click search Everbee's total database, and then you can actually filter down even further. So I can click this filter button and I can sort for listings that are, say, less than 16 months old, because I just want to see newer listings. You could even sort by stores that are newer, and then you can sort by which listings have sold the most. So here's where you can get a lot of really good information, like this ornament has sold 8,800 times in 10 months. This one sold 3,300 times in its first 13 months. This one sold 2,400 times in 11 months, and so on. You can scroll through here and see that really one of the best selling products for First Christmas Married is ornaments, but there are other ones in here as well. But you can just keep scrolling and scrolling and finding these new listings that absolutely took off after posting them just last year. Then on to niche number 4 is matching family Christmas shirts. Now, tons of families every single year buy a whole new matching set of shirts for their family to match on Christmas morning, and this is such a lucrative niche. I actually recently just did an entire YouTube video walking you step by step how to actually do these listings, so I will link that down below. But in that video, I also shared a listing that is 10 months old that has already sold 3,000 items, and that really is the power of group shirts or group items on Etsy, because you need half the amount of people to find your listing to get the same amount of sales if people are buying 2 items every time. This can be a great way to grow your business if you are especially a newer seller, because if a family comes to your listing and buys it, you could get 4, 5, sometimes even 10 shirts all in one sale instead of just one. On that same line, we have niche number 5, which is matching couples shirts or sweatshirts. So this one really is a little bit more product specific, like the last one where it is shirts and sweatshirts mostly, because these are things that couples are going to be wearing to Christmas parties or on Christmas Day. So important thing to note getting into this niche is a lot of people actually want these 2 to 3 weeks before Christmas, not by Christmas. So try to be a little bit cautious with your cutoff dates for ordering, and make sure that on Black Friday you extend your processing times and shipping times to be a little bit longer to make sure to accommodate for the delays that start to happen around that time of year. A lot of times these couple shirts are funny, where you have 2 different funny sayings on them, and so this one's a perfect example right here with kind of like a raunchy saying. This listing's only 19 months old and has already sold 4,300 times and is even in 11 carts already right now in September. And then on to niche number 6. This is going to be teacher Christmas gifts. Now this one again can be a bunch of different types of products, but I typically recommend not clothing, because a lot of the people searching for these items to gift teachers are the parents of the child in that kid's class. And so a lot of times you will see ornaments as a really popular product, and mugs like drinkware, tumblers, that type of thing are very popular for this. Sometimes even things like notebooks or sticky notes. But here's one example that's only 9 months old that already sold 4,000 times after just being listed last year. So this is a really, really big niche to get into. Niche number 7 is another one that's already selling really well right now on Etsy that you can get sales in, and that is the pet memorial niche. And while this is a really sad one, people really do like to commemorate their pets with something like a Christmas ornament or a mug, or sometimes even a sweatshirt. These also make really great gifts to give people for Christmas when you know that they lost a pet recently. Here's one perfect example of a memorial ornament that sold 3,300 times in its first 10 months and currently has a bestseller badge. And this one that is also sold over 3,000 times in its first 9 months, but is also sold over 10 times in just the last 24 hours alone. Now this one does lend itself a little bit more to personalization, so thinking a custom name or a custom photo. So if you're not ready to get into personalized and custom stuff, this one might not be as good of a one to get into, but you can always use something like Hello Custom to do that personalization for you, since I know their 2.0 version is getting released very soon with their live preview model, where the customer can actually add their photo or add their text in themselves. So I'm really excited to see what that's like when it launches. Niche number 8 is new home gifts. So this is another one that people are really thinking about when someone bought a new home this year. That is a go-to Christmas gift idea. And so there's a ton of different products for this one as well, but I'd say the two most profitable seem to be ornaments and candles. So taking a look at this example, it's sold 3,100 times in its first 12 months for this Christmas ornament, or this candle has actually sold 15 times in the last 24 hours alone. So this is another example where it's not necessarily Christmas themed, but it's gonna make a perfect Christmas gift. So that is a good reminder that you don't want to be just posting Christmas themed items right now. I do recommend doing about 50% Christmas themed items and 50% more evergreen items that could sell anytime throughout the year. That way when January comes, you don't fall off the cliff with your sales and you actually still are making money at that point. And make sure to subscribe because I will be making a video soon about how to find the hot evergreen trends that aren't Christmas related so that you can really bulk your store up on giftable items that aren't Christmas related that will carry you through the beginning of the year so you don't have that big drop off in sales. If you're feeling inspired so far and you're really excited to design in some of these niches for your store this holiday season, then put the word Christmas down in the comments below so I know that you are still here watching. So on to niche number 9 is the baby's first Christmas niche. This one again is just so profitable and again sells like hotcakes every year consistently. This is not a trend. You could get sales on these listings that you make that sell well for years to come. Like this listing right here is only 11 months old and has already sold 2,900 times, but it's not just Christmas ornaments that are selling well for this niche. Here is a baby onesie that's 10 months old that has 164 sales that has sold 3 times in the last 24 hours alone. This is my very first Christmas. And before we get into the last niche, I did want to just give you an idea of what I think you should do with this information. Now, if you are able, I really do recommend making at least 20 listings for each of these 10 niches. That would get you up 200 listings in your store in very profitable, proven niches. Now, you can sell in other niches and more specific Christmas things, but please don't avoid these bigger niches just because you think there might be a lot of competition. The reason there's a lot of competition is because so many people are shopping for these and buying these every year. If you need to go on Everbee and sort by newer stores that are like a year and a half old that got sales in these niches to prove it to yourself that it's possible for you too, then go and do that. But don't let the little voice in the back of your head keep you only in the teeny tiny niches because you think the big ones are too oversaturated. I can promise you that the teeny tiny random niche that looks like it's getting sales is probably not going to sell 3,000 times this year. But if you can have just 5, 10, 20 listings out of the 200 that you put up sell 1,000 times, 2,000 times, that's going to completely change your holiday season and potentially even your life. So then lastly, niche number 10. This is actually any niche that you've sold this year combined with Christmas. Literally almost anything you can think of, a profession, a hobby, probably has had a bestseller for Christmas sweaters, for ornaments, for mugs in the past. Even if you take the exact same saying that's on your shirt or your ornament or your mug now, and you just add some Christmas graphics to it without changing a single thing, I promise you that you can get a ton of sales on those. So I'm not gonna be too picky with what that is. You know better than I do what niches are selling well in your store. Try just putting a Santa hat on it. Try adding a Christmas spin to it, making it into Christmas matching family shirt sets for that specific niche. Really, the sky's the limit, and this is where your creativity really can come in handy and get you sales in a place that other people might not be looking. Again, make sure it's a proven niche that is already getting sales this year, but really try and get creative with this last one. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe if you want more videos like this in the future. And as always, thank you so much for staying all the way until the end, and I'll see you in the next one.